Explore essential digital marketing tools that can transform your strategy and drive measurable results. This guide will help beginners unlock their marketing potential by leveraging automation, data collection, and reporting tools to enhance efficiency and gain a competitive edge. Digital marketing tools significantly enhance efficiency, with 85% of marketers reporting improved results. Automation offers 3.5 times the time savings over manual work, providing a competitive edge for 67% of businesses. These tools automate data collection and reporting, allowing more focus on creative strategy and innovation, crucial for staying ahead in a fast-paced digital environment. Google Analytics offers unparalleled insights into website traffic and user behavior, utilized by 81.9% of websites globally. Google Ads enables targeted campaigns, optimizing budget for maximum reach and conversions. Microsoft Excel remains essential for data organization and analysis, turning raw data into actionable insights with advanced formulas and pivot tables. The Google Analytics dashboard offers real-time insights into website performance. It tracks visitor origins, page views, and user interactions, enabling marketers to understand audience behavior and optimize content strategy effectively. Google Analytics offers core tracking capabilities like user sessions, page views, bounce rates, and conversion path analysis. Advanced features include custom report building, attribution modeling, and audience segmentation. While the free version suits most businesses, Google Analytics 360 provides enhanced data processing and support for enterprises. To set up a Google Ads campaign, first define your marketing objectives, such as brand awareness or sales conversions. Use the keyword planner to find relevant search terms and estimate bid costs. Craft compelling ad headlines and descriptions that align with user intent. Control your budget by setting daily limits, paying only for clicks. The Google Ads platform offers a centralized dashboard for seamless campaign management. Utilize its intuitive tools for keyword research, bid optimization, and performance tracking. This integration ensures efficient handling of all campaign aspects, enhancing your ability to make data-driven decisions and optimize ad spend effectively. Excel is indispensable for marketers, offering robust data storage and cleaning capabilities. Import large datasets, remove duplicates, and standardize formats. Create visualizations with charts and pivot tables to track performance trends. Automate tasks using formulas like VLOOKUP and SUMIF, and record macros to enhance efficiency in campaign management. Sprout Social offers centralized social media management with scheduling and a smart inbox for unified messaging. It provides comprehensive analytics across major platforms. Loomly enhances content planning with trending suggestions and optimization tips. Audience excels in social listening and audience segmentation, revealing demographic insights and behavioral patterns of followers. Sprout Social's Smart Inbox centralizes all messages, comments, and mentions from various social platforms into a single view. This streamlines response times and enhances customer engagement tracking, ensuring efficient communication and improved interaction with your audience. Visualizing marketing data is essential as humans process visuals 60,000 times faster than text, with 73% better retention. Charts and graphs convert raw data into insights, revealing trends and return on investment. Use bar charts for campaign comparisons, line graphs for metrics over time, funnel diagrams for conversion paths, and pie charts for budget allocation. The content promotion funnel highlights the role of each marketing channel in the customer journey. Search marketing initiates awareness, social media fosters consideration, and email marketing excels in conversion. These insights guide resource allocation, optimizing your marketing strategy for maximum impact. AI tools are revolutionizing marketing by saving 2.5 hours daily on tasks like content creation and data entry. They boost content production by 82% without extra staff and enhance personalization by 77%. ChatGPT excels in generating personalized emails, marketing plans, and search engine optimization optimized content, ensuring brand voice consistency across platforms. ChatGPT revolutionizes marketing content creation by generating email campaigns, blog outlines, ad copy, and social media posts. With detailed prompts about your brand, audience, and goals, it swiftly produces high-quality drafts needing minimal edits, enhancing efficiency and creativity in marketing strategies. Building a robust digital marketing stack is crucial. Start with foundational tools like Google Analytics, then scale with social media platforms. Innovate with artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT to stay competitive. Continuous learning and adapting to new tools are key to thriving in the ever-evolving digital landscape.